In this video, we will briefly introduce the requirements for production and process controls under cGMP Part 211. Pharmaceutical manufacturing is a highly controlled process that requires written instructions for production and process control. These written procedures should be reviewed and approved by the Quality Control Unit. The procedures should be followed during production and control functions, and any deviations should be documented. The product should be manufactured in a way that maintains its identity, strength, quality and purity. The batch should be formulated to contain the intended amount of active ingredients. Components for drug product manufacturing should be weighed, measured and subdivided. This process should be adequately supervised to ensure that the components are released by the Quality Control Unit, properly weighed and labeled, and verified by 2 people. Actual yields and percentages of theoretical yields should be calculated at appropriate stages of manufacturing, processing, packaging or holding the drug product. These calculations should be verified. All compounding and storage containers, processing lines and major equipment should be properly identified at all times. Major equipment should have a code used to identify each produced batch. There should be written procedures for sampling and testing of in-process materials to ensure conformity. Such controls may include tablet or capsule weight variation, disintegration time, uniformity and homogeneity, dissolution time and rate, clarity or pH, bioburden testing, and others. In-process materials should be tested for identity, strength, quality and purity and approved or rejected by the Quality Control Unit. Deviations may be acceptable provided that they do not jeopardize the quality of the drug product. Written procedures should be in place to provide guidance on contamination control, including all aseptic and sterilization procedures. There should be a reprocessing procedure for batches that do not meet the required standards or specifications. Any reprocessing should be approved by the Quality Control Unit. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you would like more information.